Here we are at iVT Expo in Chicago, and I'm here with Alex from DSE Electronics. Alex, a pleasure to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Tell us what's new at DSE.
So on our control side, what's new is about the security and safety compliance. So we are working hard to be CRA compliant. That's a big European initiative for next year, and I think that's coming to the US market very fast with all the hacking and cybersecurity attacks that we're seeing in it lately. So the MA10 is our first product that's fully compliant, hardware and software-wise. We just released the last piece of firmware that make this full CRA compliant and RAD initiative compliant as well. So we do have Wi-Fi radio, so we need to be RAD compliant, and we do have all the encryption keys and all the security for the CRA compliance on that matter. Besides the CRA, and we're growing the product line on the M series that our display and controllers. We do have the M805. That's a product it's on the oven, so we have a first working prototype at the show. We were just showing at iVT a little bit of what's coming in terms of the capabilities of a 1000-nit display in a small package for compact machines. So we know how much space is valuable for our customers. So that's something that we want to complete the line. We have the full products, like the 12-inch and the 10-inch and the 7-inch, but some of the customers will have the need for a more compact product in that it's fully capable as the larger screens. One of the things that we are looking into our products is to give features that's slightly different from the market is offering, but features that the customers are asking for. So like the full audio support. So we have audio output.
Warning, this vehicle is about to start.
So we could have audio feedback for the operator and the public around the machine. That's a big safety requirement on the Europe market, and it's coming down to US as well. And we can use the audio feature or the video input feature to get, if you're going backwards, you could see what's any obstacle behind you, and you can announce that, I'm going backwards. Just be careful, So you could spill that out to the operator and the crew around the machine. So that's something we are working hard on that. We have configurable languages, so we could have the same warning in a different language.
Achtung, dieses Fahrzeug ist gleich zu starten.
So if you're a manufacturer that you're producing machines for different markets, you could have in your application already the native support. You could see that not only the sound change, but all the text on the screen will change as well. So it gives you, a lot of flexibility on how to configure this to specific markets.
Okay, and what kind of feedback have you had on the new product so far?
We've been showing, we've been iVT last year, we promote the MA10. It's been very, very nice. We got a good reception. We're growing a lot in the last, I'll say, 3 years, especially on the US market. DSE has 50 years of experience in electronics, mostly on the GenSat control market. We transferred that knowledge and skill set to the mobile equipment market. So this being said, some of the things, we don't know DSE on the mobile market. We are on the mobile market on the GenSat. So if you have a GenSat on your construction site, most probably you have a DSE controller there that's been surviving the harsh environment and the operators with gloves, things that we know for sure that's a challenge on this market. So we're transferring some of that SKUs and adding more, features that will be completely target on the mobile market with the M series products.
Okay, and finally, what are your aspirations for the show itself?
We use iVT as a networking show mainly, different than other shows that you have a lot of products being launched. This iVT we see as a networking. So we see a lot of our competitors here. Customers come on our booth to have nice conversations about new projects. So that's what our experience last year, and we hope to repeat this year.